Okay, well, my name is Mike. Don't really do these very much. Gonna record, show you guys my Mercedes W203 C230 compressor 2002 with the M111 engine. Today I got a transmission mount from Creative Steel. This is a billet aluminum mount that was made for actually a C55 AMG. So what I did is cross-reference the part number from the C55 AMG to my 230 compressor, and apparently they share the same transmission mount number, so we'll see if we can get this transmission mount to bolt up. It's pretty sturdy. I like this. We'll see if it fits. If it doesn't, then we'll have to figure out how to modify it. I'm going to get the car on jacks, and then we'll see what it's going to take to get this transmission mount out. Alright. Alrighty, now we have the car on all fours. Got the wheel chocks underneath it. Holding this GoPro by hand, so excuse me, it's my first video. Got the jack positioned underneath the transmission. I know it's pretty dark in there. Well, two ways to go about this. You can either drop the whole transmission mount assembly, which I might do that and just zap the two bolts off, swap it over in the garage, and we can do like a comparison, which will probably go that route. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna see what it's gonna take to get these mounts out. Let me position this camera correctly. I don't know if it'll stick because no, it's not gonna stick. So we're just gonna take, we're gonna drop this out. I believe those are probably 15s or 17s. I gotta double check really quick. Got the box here. Gonna grab one of these sockets. First one, this is gonna be a 16, you know, Germans and their fancy stuff. So I'm gonna go drop that out. I imagine those two bolts up there also a 16. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some more pressure on the jack, then we'll go from there. I'll see you guys in the garage. All right, so transmission mounts out. That took like 15 minutes. Usually, if you have all the right tools, it makes things a lot easier. I've been doing this for a little while. Got the old mount out. Everything looks good. So far, mounted, matched these bolt holes up with the transmission. They seem to work. It's a 13 millimeter to get this mount out. Let me see, we'll put some little tool action in here. I'm just holding this camera by hand. We'll take this out, grab the 13, put it on our impact. Oh, that's the 16 on there still. Let's grab this here. Put the 13 on here like so. Grab it like this. All right. Oh, hold on here. Some you'll get eventually, right? You might need a little holding here. So, all right, that's done there. I don't know if the mount works. Whoa. Okay, well. Take a second there. All right, welcome back. Now we're back underneath the vehicle. We got the transmission bolts here and here. That's where these two mounts go. I'd probably recommend putting these two bolts in first. Can't forget the ground strap. That's very important. So we'll go ahead. It's gonna be the two longer bolts out of the 6 shorter ones. We'll set those to the side over here. All these have had blue Loctite put on them, so I do recommend putting Loctite back on them. Just blue would be good enough to do. I think I might be out of Loctite, guys. Oh no. If you've had this thing for so long. Finally I'm out. Probably used it all. Let's see if I can get anything out of the top of this. Oh yeah, we're fresh out of Loctite, boys. But let's see if we can save some of the stuff that's in here. You just need a little bit. Or like I was saying earlier, what we call German torque spec. I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get any out of here. Let's see. And bring a screwdriver with me. See if we can get any Loctite looking like, I don't know. Oh, let's see if we can get the fucking lid out. Excuse my language, gonna have to bleep that out or something, I don't know. Or we're just gonna put it up there. Can't put any music because, you know, we'll violate standards. We're gonna, all right, so I said use Loctite. I ran out of Loctite. Just make sure you guys tighten these things to spec. Still recommend Loctite. I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some, but I'm not gonna pause the video to do that. All right. So I'm gonna put the mount up here, make sure the arrow is facing towards the transmission. Oof, exhaust is still hot. We're gonna go ahead and thread the first bolt in there, making sure we can get this going. All right, so we got this one here, that one started, then we're gonna get this one in here, right? Okay, just need to finger tighten those real quick. Now that we got the mount all hung, we can start putting our transmission and the transmission mount, sorry, bolts back in. Don't mind me, I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just a guy who works on the cars. So random. I don't ever done this before, made videos, so pretty relatively easy though to put this mount in. Doesn't take much, especially if you know how to turn a wrench. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Problem is you know, no one makes parts for these cars, right? So, all right, what's going on here? That one's not lining up. First things first, I would tighten all the 16mm bolts. Most of those are pretty much snug right now. All right, tighten up the mount to the transmission. Just pause this. You know, power tools make this faster, but I'm going to come back once all these bolts are tight. All right, we're back. All the bolts tightened. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 8 16mm bolts for the transmission mount and 2 13mm, which hold the mount to the actual brace bracketry. So we're done here. Now we lower the car down and we're done. So I'm gonna try to make some more of these how-to videos as I repair this Mercedes. I'll give you guys a walkthrough too on a separate video, talking about kind of a little bit about the car, some things that want to be done to it, and we'll go from there. I'm gonna have some more content on some other vehicles and friends' cars and stuff like that that will feature inside the channel. We're gonna start a channel. I don't know what to tell you guys. Not trying to make anything out of it, but I think it's fun. You know, everyone else is doing it. I'm almost might as well give it a shot. All right, guys, until next time, thanks for watching, listening to my jibber jabber about transmission stuff. We'll see how this mount does. Should give us some solid shifts, less movement in the transmission. We'll go from there. All right, guys, take it easy.